are unbelievable.
Looks like love has finally found me.
I love you.
Police officer! He's a criminal! Move, move, move!
I wanna know what love is.
Justice! Oh my God!
I want you to show me. I wanna feel what
I don't think he's a cop.
He's dead. We know he's dead, but we didn't kill him.
Like, he'd like to report a murder or whatever.
We didn't murder anybody.
1, 2, 3, go!
No.
Okay, the guy's name is Jabron.
Run, Leilani!
And the girl's name's actually Leilani. She's running too now. Kind of slow, like she's wearing heels that look actually amazing.
I'm loving albatross hanging by my neck.
We have to go to the police because we have nothing to hide.
Why did you run from the scene of the crime?
Good question, officer.
That's me covering up my body cam so I can beat your ass.
Free out my love, my love.
We just need to find the guy the police are looking for.
So you're suggesting we actually go out there and solve a murder?
It's locked. Did you think it was one of those men-only doors?
I walk the sky.
All we need is a name,
The sky.
and then we're in the clear.
Hey, man, it's been a minute. Who are you?
Who do you work for, you little beanbag bitch?
Yeah. You think about your grandma and that furry beanbag?
What?
Free out my love.
These people are super dangerous and they're really powerful.
This is some Handmaid's Tale book.
We have impostors. Everyone unmask yourself.
Nobody else took their masks off.
Free out my love, my love.
I'm gonna give you lovebirds a choice. What's behind this door or bacon grease to the face?
I don't want grease on my face. Is it gonna shit on me? Oh, take the grease.
Free out my love.